If Clipchamp is giving you a Google Drive error, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you the fastest way to fix it step by step. Whether your Drive files are not loading, the connection keeps failing, or Clipchamp just won't import your media, these simple fixes should get you back on track. And if this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick software guides. Let's start with the first step. Open Clipchamp and go into the project where the error is happening. Sometimes the issue is not Clipchamp itself, but a broken connection between your project and Google Drive. So opening the exact project helps you test the problem properly. Next, go to the import area and reconnect Google Drive. Click Import, then choose Google Drive. If you already see a connected account, disconnect it first and then connect it again. This refreshes the link between Clipchamp and your Google account and often fixes permission or sync issues right away. If Clipchamp asks for access, pay close attention to the Google prompt. You need to allow the correct permission so Clipchamp can read your Drive files. If access is denied, blocked, or skipped, the import process may fail every time. So when the permission window appears, select the right account and allow access. Now, check your Google account permissions outside of Clipchamp as well. Sometimes the connection exists, but the permission is incomplete or outdated. If you are using multiple Google accounts, make sure you are signed into the one that actually stores the files you want to import. This is a very common reason for Drive errors in Clipchamp. If the error still continues, try a manual upload instead. Download the file from Google Drive to your computer first, then upload it directly into Clipchamp. This helps you figure out whether the issue is with Google Drive connection specifically or whether the file itself might be the problem. If the manual upload works, then the Drive sync is likely the main issue. Another very effective fix is clearing your browser cache. Over time, saved browser data can interfere with logins, permissions, and file loading. Go to your browser settings, then open Privacy and choose Clear Browsing Data. Clear the cached files and refresh Clipchamp after that. Once the browser is cleaned up, try connecting Google Drive again. If you are still seeing the error, close Clipchamp completely, reopen it, and sign in again. A simple refresh like this can sometimes reset a temporary glitch. Also, make sure your internet connection is stable, because Drive integrations can fail if the connection drops during authentication or file loading. It's also a good idea to test in another browser if the problem continues. Sometimes extensions, blocked cookies, or browser settings can interfere with Google Drive permissions. If Clipchamp works in a different browser, then you know the issue is browser related rather than a problem with your account. So to recap, the main fixes are: open your project, reconnect Google Drive, confirm Google permissions, try a manual file upload, and clear your browser cache. In most cases, one of these steps will solve the issue and get Clipchamp working again. If this video helped, please give it a like and subscribe for more easy tech fixes. And if you're still stuck, leave a comment with the exact error you're seeing, and I'll do my best to help. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.